Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Press the bell icon. Hello friends, now we are going to see the lifestyle of Kamala Harris. She is an American politician and attorney who has served as the junior United States Senator. She is paid around rupees 7.3 lakh per month for her services, that is around 1000 US dollars. From her other investments, she earned around rupees 1.1 crore per annum, that is around 150,000 US dollars. It is reported that in the year 2019, she has collectively earned around rupees 2 crores as the annual revenue from various sources, that is around 272,000 US dollars. Her net worth is estimated to be around rupees 66 crores, which is around 9 million US dollars. Lakh Escalade car. This car cost around rupees 50 lakh, that is around 70,000 US dollars. She also owns a Volvo S60 car. This car cost around rupees 30 lakh, that is around 40,000 US dollars. Her house in United States cost around rupees 19 crores, that is around 2.7 million US dollars. Her birth name is Kamala Devi Harris. She is popularly called as Kamala. Professionally, she is a politician. She is born on 20 October 1964. She is 55 years old. Her birthplace is California, United States. Her hobbies are to travel different places and read books. She did her schooling in Westmount High School, Canada. She pursued her college studies at Howard University in Washington, D.C. She has her education in political science, economics, and law. She is 157 centimeters in height, that is around 5.1 feet, and 60 kilograms in weight, which is around 132 pounds. Her hair color and eye color is dark brown. In the year 1990, Harris was hired as a deputy district attorney in Alameda County, California. In August 2000, Harris took a new job at San Francisco City Hall, working for City Attorney Louis Rene. In the year 2002, Harris prepared to run for District Attorney of San Francisco against the incumbent Hallinan and Bill Fazio, setting up a campaign office in the Bayview neighborhood. Harris won with 56% of the vote, becoming the first person of color elected as District Attorney of San Francisco. Just prior to Kamala Harris taking office, the felony conviction rate was 50%. By 2009, it was 76%. Convictions of drug dealers increased from 56% in 2003 to 74% in 2006. On November 12, 2008, Kamala Harris announced her candidacy for California Attorney General. On June 8, 2010, she was nominated with 33.6% of the vote, defeating Alberto Torrico and Chris Kelly. On July 19, President Barack Obama and Vice President Joe Biden endorsed Harris for her Senate seat. In the November 2016 election, Kamala Harris defeated Sanchez, capturing over 60% of the vote, carrying all but 4 counties. In June, Kamala Harris garnered media attention for her questioning of Rod Rosenstein, the Deputy Attorney General, over the role he played in the May 2017 firing of James Comey, the Director of the Federal Bureau of Investigation. On January 21, 2019, Kamala Harris officially announced her candidacy for President of the United States in the 2020 United States presidential election. Her husband's name is Douglas Emhoff. Her father's name is Donald Harris. Her mother's name is Shamala Gopalan Harris. Her sister's name is Maya Harris. She has more than 3.8 million followers in Instagram. She has more than 1.8 million followers in Facebook. She has more than 5.6 million followers in Twitter. Her favorite food is burrito. Her favorite actor is Marlon Brando. Her favorite actress is Mandy Moore. Movie Lincoln is her favorite film. Her favorite sport person is Kobe Bryant. Her favorite politician is Barack Obama. In her entire career, she has won several awards and recognitions. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe and press the bell icon.